Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Do it at the breaker and confirm with a multimeter set to AC volts. Once done, put on insulating gloves and eye protection so you can work safely close to glass and high voltage. Gather only the tools you need: screwdriver, wire strippers, and the correct replacement neon tube and transformer. Make sure the replacement matches length and voltage. Mismatched parts create failure and hazard. Now proceed to access the sign housing. You open the housing and support the tube with both hands to prevent stress on the glass. Next, locate the transformer and disconnect its leads. Label each wire so reassembly is foolproof. Carefully loosen mounting clips and slide the old neon tube straight out. Avoid twisting, which can crack glass. Inspect the electrode connections and internal wiring for corrosion or burn marks, because replacing the tube alone won't fix a damaged transformer. If the transformer looks pitted, plan to replace it now. You position the new neon tube into the mounting clips, aligning electrodes carefully with the connectors. Don't force it. Reconnect the transformer leads exactly as labeled, tighten terminals, and add insulation with heat shrink or electrical tape. Make sure the sign housing is closed or supported, then restore power briefly to verify even illumination. If the lamp flickers or won't strike, cut power immediately. Common causes are poor grounding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.